Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Mico. So let's get started. First, launch open your Mico application. Make sure you are logging to your Mico account. Now tap on the search icon and then search for the person that you would like to report. Tap on the username of the person that you would like to report. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the person's profile page. Among these two options, tap on Report User option and select the reason why you would like to report this user. And this is how you can report someone on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.